Winter's Craft Garden. Yeah! Hi guys, welcome back to Winter's Craft Garden. Today, we are going to be doing I do not know what. We have broken clothespins, more clothespins, beads, more beads. I think it's going to be a bracelet. Even more beads. I definitely think it's going to be a bracelet. Final guess. And now we have brought back the envelope. Give a round of applause for the envelope. I was wrong! It took me all this time to be wrong. And I'm finally wrong. How do I feel? I feel great. What is it?
They're pins. Like you can put them on your book bags, on your shoes.
Now, I love this. We're going to be making pins. Bye, Mailbox. Thanks for the fun craft. Gardeners, you're going to take a broken pin and put it aside. You're going to take your other small pins and decorate them however you want. Or you can just take your big pin and decorate it. And make sure you decorate it on this side. Bent is the one you're doing. Look at this cute little one. If you have a big pin, you're going to decorate it with 13 other pins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Good. This is a great rainy day craft. It's relaxing. Once you're done decorating all your pins, you're going to slide them on to your big pin. And remember, you slide them on bent, not pointy. Bent, not pointy. You put it through the circle, like so. So next, you put the top of the pin back on. You may need an adult for that. This is my finished pin. You could put it on your book bag, shoes, your dog's sweater vest, your dog's collar, a lot. Next, I'm going to do a straight one. For the straight one, you put the beads on the bent side. Come on. You got this. I'm still having the same problem. So, we gotta pull out the big guns since this stand refuses to bend, and I only got one bead on. That's the pliers. The pliers is the big gun. There we go. This is Winter in Gold because winning is in my name. I have a straight one and a dangly one. Just so you know, I like the dangly ones more. They have more sensory. I've never loved pins so much. And I love this craft. Gardeners, I'm making a grid pattern. The columns are the pins, and each square in the column is a bead. I'm making a heart. This is my finished product. This is the first one I made. Second one. Third one, this is the heart one I made with the grid. I made this one, and then my mom gave this one to me. And these are the straight ones. Well, I'm gonna keep making more because I love this. I love this so much. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Later.